I really want to heat this thing up and make waffles on it. You could probably take it down this because you're super sick.
That's how we're starting this morning off? Just...
Oh! Oh no!
All right, we're beginning this video.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's a billet board. Do you guys remember when we skated the metal billet board out at the spot?
Wait, I know how to do this.
What wizardry is this?
So in here, we have...
There should be a note.
There's no note.
You sure?
No note.
Should be a note.
Nope, look, here it is. It says, hey Braille, we're sending you this second billet board. We made a couple improvements. Hope it works out great. Thanks.
That was an awesome note. We're gonna unravel this mummy.
There it is.
Oh!
If you would have let me unravel it the first time,
watch them
we would have got to the
what I
note.
just said. Hey Braille, I have a gift for you. Billet Board 2.0. Thanks guys for the awesome skate YouTube content.
Pretty much.
No, they said it's much grippier on top this time and a double tail, so maybe it will be easier to shred. If not, it will still make good wall art.
Dude, that looks sick.
On the bottom is way better than, I'm sorry, but this is the best part on this whole entire skateboard.
Let me see.
Back to the Future
Oh,
spawn.
billet to the future.
Yes.
You know, I really
That is fire.
sick.
I really want to heat this thing up and make waffles on it.
Oh, that would be nice.
Look it. It's got waffle grip.
Why don't you just like observe all the detail?
Wow,
What does
look,
it say?
actually feel how grippy it is though.
Well, did feel how good.
Yeah,
it was.
actually.
There's something on the
Feel
where
this,
the truck
Gabe.
plate goes.
Feel the top of it.
Oh my gosh, that'll cut you.
All right,
I need glasses.
All right,
go
let's
set it
this
up,
thing
paper
up.
boy. Wow, Braille trucks.
Ding. Okay, let's see here.
Dude, that looks amazing.
Why does it smell like the dentist right here?
Smells like the.
It's this. Smell this.
It does not smell like the dentist.
Dentist flavor. What are those things that have? I can't think of it.
Dan, you know, you literally said I'm looking for a screwdriver, and there's 2 drills right here.
Gabe. Let me have this one, Gabe. Just let me live my life. Let me live my life, brother.
How many?
What? What'd you say?
How many Dans does it take to screw in a skateboard?
We only got one here. Oh! Here we go. Why? Nope. Okay, that one's done.
We gotta take a metal board down the 3 block.
I want to see someone else do it. I want to see Uzi do it.
Hey, you're sick. Hey.
I got a really good idea.
Hey, I
you
got
know,
an idea too.
I got a really good idea. I went down the 3 block with Uzi's creation, so he got this. I believe in him.
This isn't your creation, though. And I have another argument. You could probably take it down this because you're super sick.
I don't think I should go down it.
How's that look?
Who the heck is that?
Who the hell?
Hey!
Oh.
Who is that?
That's how we're starting this morning off? Just
Because we told him he wasn't, and then he got like really defensive and was like, all right, I'm just gonna do it. And then I told him if he didn't land it and he broke it before I took a thumbnail, I'd take it out of his paycheck. And then he was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Now that we got the thumbnail, he's gonna do it again.
oh, it's gonna happen first try. I believe in you, Mo.
That was easy.
Ooh, that was very easy. He did that real good. You want to see him do more
Now I
tricks?
feel
Because
better.
he will do them. Follow me. Watch. Hey, Mowgli. You want to do some more tricks?
A board slide.
See? What did I tell you? He wants to do more tricks. We're going to come over here. I'm going to show you. He's going to do a board slide here on this bump to bar, his favorite obstacle. That was sick. You want to know why he didn't do it? Because that is not wax and that is. So he needs to wax that and that. And when he hits them, puts them together, he can grind it. Watch as he works. He's going to put some wax on it. He's going to grind it. It's going to look good.
It's actually way better than what I thought. I thought it was gonna break and bend, but there's pop there.
I was telling the people about the wax. So you got to get the wax and, you know.
Are you gonna wax it?
We're here today. I'm documenting your every trick right now, Mowgli. It's like Nat Geo of skateboarding. Look at him pray. Look at him as he. balancing everything out, feeling it in his mind.
That rail is super sick.
All right. I'll just. Do you want to do a
Kickflip on it?
Yeah.
You think it's kickflippable?
Oh, absolutely. Wow.
That has some good pop, huh?
All right. I was surprised.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
Oh, Uzi, check it out.
Super sick.
Hey,
You try it.
everyone's like wondering why this board is actually good. That's what it was billet for.
I see what you did there. What's everyone done on it?
Kick flip and ollie down the 3 block.
Really?
Yeah.
Ollie the 3 block? Thought I was gonna die.
Do a heel flip. Didn't you say you were gonna do a heel flip?
Can Dan do a heel flip for me?
No, Dan.
Wait,
Dan
I
has
got
to-
you. Let me hit one.
If you want Aussie Dan to come out of retirement, leave it in the comments below.
Hey, for the one time.
Did you dirty? Super sick.
Hey, girl.
You know people are still leaving comments on my everything saying I can't switch flip. I'm like,
Okay, people. Uzi can't switch
I've
flip,
done
but he really
thousands
can.
of switch flips at this point.
It's just you. No. You can switch flip, but you can't switch flip when it matters.
Maybe so.
I'll flick a little more.
All right, Mo. I think I just need Nigel to tray flip it. He's the king of tray flip.
Nigel's hurt.
I'll just do this. Try this one. This tail just got that. That 3-shove pop.
All right, let's go back to the rail real quick.
I'm orbiting.
Oh, this is interesting.
Just send it, bro.
Yeah.
Oh wait, he's.
I mean, do you want to be super sick? I touched it.
No, but if it's on my feet, I don't think I'll get super sick.
Oh!
Never mind.
Oh, you're right there.
It's because I'm sick.
Let me try my kicker roll one time. Then you can have it back.
That's gonna be like top notch.
It sounds so nice.
It does. It does sound
It
really
does.
nice. I like it.
Super sick.
Why don't you help out the sick man and do some skateboarding on the A-frame?
Because then I'll be super sick.
Hold it! Yeah!
You know, Uzi's really amazing at skateboarding, and I want to see more of him.
Oh, wow.
Your turn, Uzi.
You got it, Dan.
Oh no, I touched it.
Hey, if I get
Vert wall. I'm gonna move the trike. Yo, that's not enough speed.
Yeah, that's not enough speed. You gotta go faster.
You're not even trying, Dan.
I am, but like it's hard to stay with this thing.
Where are you going?
Wash my hands.
Why?
Logan's gonna get me sick.
Are you kidding me?
No.
SK8 right there on that, on the hip.
Ooh, that bad move against the Godfather.
Oh. Damn. Now the hip is sick. Oh no, what happened?
That wheel bite.
I think seriously, whoever the first letter is winning. I think that's how it's going at this point.
Wow.
That was amazing.
Oh, that thing popped up nice.
Let's go. You got it. You got it.
I got one more. One left.
Oh! Oh no! Oh.
I lost on my favorite trick.
Hey, hit the nose, man, for the one time. Oh no! When you get fancy with it, that's when skateboard comes after you.
You're right, you're right. I got a little too cocky there. I have to just do the nose manage.
There you go. Now if you wanted a 180 out, you will be rewarded. See?
Great product.
How do you like it?
Honestly, for people that do just skateboard in general, this is really fun. Like, you could get this as a cruiser board just to cruise around too, and it'll be just as fun. Like, I want one.
I don't even think they're selling them. I think they literally made this, they made this for us.
Really?
Yeah, that's why it has to be on it.
Well then, you'll probably won't get one anywhere, so thank you for letting us skate your creation.
If you have anything that you want to make us, shoot us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. The link will be in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Aaron does that so well, I can't even compete.